Hey, so Nishant, thanks a lot for joining me, and I'm really looking forward to our discussion at Mole Future Forward in September. And so just wanted to get your highlights of what you're going to talk about at the event. It's starting with AI, which is front and center of all the news, all the discussions in boardrooms and whatnot. What's your sense of how AI is impacting the networks?
Chetan, first of all, great, an exciting place to be. So thanks for having me at the Mobile Future Forward. We should talk about at the event around AI is just not front and center, it's also all over and inside the network.
Yeah.
The world today is transforming, as we know, and there's a lot of hype and there's a lot of reality at the same time coexisting.
Yeah.
On how AI is going to reshape our lives, both from a consumer and enterprise perspective.
Yeah.
Just think about the fact if the networks didn't exist, we are the gel that actually makes it work.
Yes.
And we are now seeing that there is already a sliver of traffic impact on the network through this numerous AI calls that both consumers and enterprises are making towards these next generation generative AI models.
Yeah.
We're also seeing the benefit of these generative AI models as use cases inside the networks, whether it comes to customer care or operational support system, etc.
Yeah.
And finally, we also see this as an opportunity for networks to evolve and offer this as a service towards enterprises and consumers.
That's great. Now, you're also seeing a lot of success with private networks and edge computing, especially serving the enterprises. What are some of the key lessons from there?
The key lessons we're learning is when we sell a private network, there are three big things that we have learned. First, a private network is the start of a conversation with an enterprise. It very, very soon thereon evolves into an edge compute, a grid opportunity for us.
Yeah.
Because those enterprises are digitalizing on the back of our platform.
Yeah.
Two, in almost 50+% use cases, which are in almost 50%, more than 50% cases, the enterprise envisions one use case, and very soon they start getting into other use cases.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
and
great.
Three, we're actually offering a very good alternative to the central cloud, because in those use cases, the enterprises are focused on latency, privacy, security, and cost. And terminating the application on the edge provides benefits for certain applications that private wireless networks are able to provide.
Right. So all these new tools that are coming into the ecosystem with respect to 5G, with respect to AI, how should the operators really think about creating new opportunities and new revenue streams going forward?
In certain parts of the world, operators have already begun to look at infrastructure as a service, multi-service access edge as a service. And in those geographies, they either already have a given right to play. They also have, in those cases, some shareholder flexibility to deploy their capital. We've seen that in certain Western parts of the world as well, with limited success and certain conservative views. But our belief is that that opportunity is going to just grow. And I would personally love to see some of our customers dig deep and find those opportunities for the future beyond the pure connectivity business they have today.
Great. That's fantastic, Nishant. I can't wait to see you and have this discussion at Mole Future Forward in September.
Thank you. I'm the same.